Hi everyone, welcome to the Success Crate Unboxing June video. We're gonna make this a quick one. So this month's theme is the thinking big. So we added tools that might help you think outside of the box. One of them is a tripod. It looks like this, perfect for making videos, TikTok videos. If you're not making videos and it's time to reach out of your comfort zone, as I'm doing. The next one is desk whiteboard. I use this every second of the day. Mine is right here. And then for our note takers, we have a 4-color Bic pen. Super smooth, super light. Obsessed with this pen. Every book comes with a gratitude journal, 1 sheet per week, one for morning reflection, one for evening reflection. Very important to have attitude of gratitude, because the more grateful you are, the more things will come towards you. Next one is your goal card. This is your monthly goal card. You're supposed to write what you want in present tense. So for example, if you want to make $10,000 a month, you write, I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm making $10,000 a month. Pretty simple. Next one is affirmation card. You get one every month. You're supposed to read this in the morning and at night. It's supposed to put you in the right mindset and towards the right direction. The last bookish item is this journal. You get to customize the front message with these. Maybe you want to write your goal, maybe you want to write your favorite quote, whatever it is. Every page has a positive message, as you see. And then it's one of my favorite books. It's called What You Think of Me Is None of My Business. This helps you take back your energy and your power from all the naysayers that you might have been paying attention to throughout the time. Because honestly, what people say about you really holds no value and doesn't matter. And then you have your guided bookmark for your book. And in the back, it says, your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. And that's on period.